So today is the third last day of the season, but my last day at work, and yeah, it's almost coming to an end, which is really sad. But New Zealand's not far away. I'm going to be working at Mountain Hut, so we're going to somehow continue doing everything we do, which is kind of cool. And in other news, I got voted for CASI Instructor of the Year for Big White. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, I like it. It's good stuff. Yeah, the snow's starting to melt ish. It's getting warm. We've got a slush cup thing going on. I don't think I'm going to enter it just because the amount of people that have said, oh yeah, you can do it, but you know, your boots will never be dry. And I was like, yeah, it's not really what I want to do. But yeah, so we'll see what the next couple of days bring. I think I'm going to go to Silver Star, our different resort basically, for a couple of days, and then work my way down to Vancouver, then fly to New Zealand, and then see Mark from our gap course last year in Christchurch, and then from there make my way to Methven, and then the people that I'm staying with actually Shirin, who works here, stayed with them last time for the last like 2 or 3 seasons, so that's kind of cool yesterday. She's like, oh, you stayed with this person? I was like, yeah. So that's cool, that's all good, and yeah. Sad. Ben's gone now. Ben's like, we didn't do a goodbye Ben video, but he's gone. He's gone home to Scotland and then back to the Yukon after that to work at a ranch there. But we're both coming back here, so that's good. So the videos will continue eventually. Just have to wait a little bit. But yeah, it's all good fun. I broke the selfie stick on my 360 camera, which is why today's angle looks a little bit here. But yeah, I have to get a new one of those. I don't even know what happened to it. It's just battered, I think. But it lasted a good season, like the amount of videos and the amount of footage we filmed on it. It's really cool. But yeah, that's all they wrote, folks. So I have to go, and I'm actually teaching skiing all day today. It's a ski day. So level 2, level 3, and the Happy Valley setup, and yeah. We even did yesterday. We did the last sweep. Did our last patrol sweep. So that was good. But yeah, other than that, everything's good. Everything's going well. Everything's going to plan. Got flights booked. So yeah, easy peasy. Catch you in a bit.